What's up, guys? If you farm soon on Turn Station on Telegram and you perform all the necessary tasks, especially the buy me coffee transaction, and at the end of the day you get zero soon allocation, then this video is basically for you because some hours ago soon team released a Google form for you to fill. So if you see this video, you can definitely fill that form if your soon allocation is zero. And of course, you must have done all the necessary things. So what you have to do right now is to check the comment section or the description of this video for the Google form link. The link so the link should take you straight up to this page, and here what you have to do right here is that you I have completed all the checklist quests and fulfill all the condition, and I have a problem. So you have to choose the kind of problem you have. If your balance is zero, select zero, and if your balance dropped, assuming you are supposed to get like 200,000 soon and you are getting like 50,000 or something lesser, so you just have to select what your problem is. Then you have to enter your Telegram ID. Of course, you should know how to get this already, and your Telegram username. So these are the simple things to get. And where some people have problem is how to get this transaction hash, and I will be showing you how you can get the transaction hash. What you want to do is to open your Tonkeeper. This my Tonkeeper or any wallet you use for this buy me coffee transaction. And this one of the wallet I do use for my airdrop. What you want to do right here is to click on the history, and under the history make sure you locate the exact buy me coffee transaction. So once you locate it, click on it, and down here you will see transaction. So once you see this transaction, just click on it. This should open the turn viewer platform for you, where you'll be able to see all the details of this transaction. So what you are looking for right here, you just have to click on show details, and what you are looking for is transaction hash. And in our local transaction, you can refer it as transaction ID. So you just have to scroll down, and here you will see transaction, you will see block ID, then you will see TS hash. So this TH hash is what you are looking for. So what you want to do right now is to just copy it, and this will be copied into your clipboard, and you just have to go back here and paste it right here. And that's what you have to do. If you have any other comments you want to share, you can just input it here. And this is the terms and condition where you have to so these are the terms and conditions. So you can just read through this to see if you violate any of the condition here. And after that, you just have to click on apply confirmation. I agree with all the terms and conditions, and you just have to submit. So this will take up to 7 days for the team to review your application here. And if anything happen after that, it's either you get your soon token or you get nothing. But it's better you try than giving up early. If you get any value from this video, don't forget to like, share it for more people to see, and of course follow this page for more updates like this. See you on the next one. Peace out.